Good morning. My question for you today is, have you ever run out of oil, or is your oil tank in the worst possible spot, as mine is, as you can see here? If so, maybe you'll be just as excited as I am about this new product we're offering as an add-on to our other services, a smart oil gauge. I'll do an unboxing, I'll show you in the app, and we'll talk a little bit about the features and benefits. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, sign up for notifications. I'm going to be doing this often, and thank you. This is what you get in the box, minus a couple pieces of foam. You got the actual unit, and you get a pamphlet. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Looks like we got a motherboard, a battery pack. There's a sensor on the bottom. It's got an on-off switch, little LED indicator light. It's a pretty simple, genius design. The simplest designs are often the best in my experience. Less to go wrong. Here in the pamphlet, you got quick start, you got customer service information, that kind of stuff. There's a picture of the app, and possibly the best thing about this is it's made right here in Connecticut. So that's pretty cool. We're a Connecticut company. This is a Connecticut company. The app is available on the App Store or Google Play. So that pretty much covers everybody. So the button on here, you pretty much need to press approximately at this speed. It took me a couple of tries to get it, but not too bad. And that's pretty much it. So this wire kind of is a little bit of a pain, but you don't want to pinch it because it's literally the only thing powering it. And there we go. So here's the fun part, setup and operations. So when you first open the app after you download it, you're going to see that first menu, and where it has nothing on it, you're going to hit the plus sign or add a tank, depending on whether you're on iOS or Android. Then you'll see after you click the plus sign or corresponding button, it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi password. It's going to default to the Wi-Fi password that your phone is connected to, so you have to make sure your phone is connected to that network prior to trying to set this up. It also won't even really work to check it unless your phone's on the same network. So they have this great animation here, and it shows you that the speed that you need to push the button, and I tried to demonstrate that in the unboxing so that you can see that it's a little finicky. It took me a couple tries, but not too bad. This is also what I do for a living. You need to accept the permissions. It'll take a couple minutes to configure, so you can set it and walk away and then come back. Once it's there, it'll appear under my tanks. It takes roughly about an hour or so for the first readings to show up, but we can explore some of the other things right now. I'll show you, and then later I'll come back and show you it all working. So this is a description of my tank. I didn't name it anything creative, and you have to fill in your address and all that for some of the notifications. It will even actually email your oil company or send you emails yourself if you have multiple houses. That's going to be kind of important. So some of the options here: email tank for a quarter tank, and I like that one because that's like, you need oil like yesterday. I have mine set so that it goes emails at a third, so that I know I have to start thinking about it, and then it emails at a quarter, so then I know. And then I also have text for abnormally high usage. So that's what I did. Another useful notification is non-reporting sensor, and actually even the manufacturer recommends you do that one, because that would mean the batteries had run out. The batteries in it, they're special AA, but they should last 8 months, which should definitely get you through the season. Another thing on here is the ability to just click purchase oil, and it will pop up with some local options. I find the cash options, cash and carry options, or whatever you want to call it, actually save quite a bit of money. As you can see, now it started reporting. It took roughly an hour for me. Just like I said, I wasn't able to do this video till much later to check it. You know, dad duty called. So now, as you can see, it says I have 218 gallons. It'll take a little while before it starts recording the gallon today. Over here in Connecticut, it's not really that cold right now, so we're only using the heat at night. So I think it's going to be a little while of it constantly running before those menus on the side populate. And it's, as you can see, there's a graph that after a while you can graph your spikes in your usage, figure out what time of day, maybe cut your temperature down a couple degrees on those times, try to save a little bit of extra money. And there you go. All right, so thank you for watching. Again, this is the Smart Oil Gauge, available through LeBlanc Tech Services. All our contact information is at the bottom. You can go through our website and schedule a call, or you can call us at 833-4LeBlanc. That's LEBLANC. And we offer a $100 discount when paired with another service. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you for subscribing, and tell all your friends.